Now, if you remember, the area of an isosceles triangle is half b root 4a square minus b square, where a is the equal sides and b is the unequal side. So we'll just put the value half into this is b 20 into root over of 4 a square is 50 into, this is not half, this is 1/4. This is 1/4. Okay, 1/4 into 20 into 4a square minus b square 20 square. Okay, so this is 1/4 of. Now here also I think I have made a mistake. That is, I have taken 10 here. Okay, it should be 20. This one. This should be 20. Okay. So I simplify this expression within the radical. This comes out to be 10,000 minus 20 square is 400. Okay. So this is, now 4 will cancel with this 5, and therefore you have 5 root 9600. I prime factorize 96. Okay, write this as root over of 96 into 10 square. Okay, and then 96 I can prime factorize. 96 I can prime factorize as 2 to the power of 4, or in fact 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 into 3. Okay, yes, 2 to the power of 5 into 3. So this is 5 root over of 2 to the power of 4 into 2, and this 10 square I forgot to write. It's 10 square here. 2 to the power of 4 into 2 into 10 square, which can now be written as 5 root 2 square into 10 whole square into 2. Okay, so which now can be written as 5 into 2 square into 10 into root 2, which is 20. 5 into 4, 20. 20 into 10 is 200. 200 root 2. This is the area of the fabric. There's a calculation mistake here. Okay, in this because of this I have taken, instead of 20 I have taken 10. There's a calculation mistake here, so that I've got a wrong answer here. Okay, so you just correct it. This is the correct calculation. So 200 root 2, and 200 root 2 is, if you want to express in decimals, 200 root 2 is 1.414, which is 2 into 100 into 14 point to 1.414. 1.414. So now two decimals will shift. So you get 141.4 into 2. So you get 8. You get 2. You get 8. 282.8 centimeter square. Okay. This is the area of each triangular fabric. Okay. How many fabrics are we using here? We are using 10 fabrics, 10 red colored fabrics and 10 blue colored fabrics. So one triangular fabric has area this much. Therefore, area of 10 triangular fabrics of each color, either blue or red color, is 282.8 into 10.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, please can you explain the last three steps again? So the last three steps.
Starting from 200 root 2.
So the five root.
Starting from this step.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is, see, 5 root 9600 can be written as 96 into 10 square. Why did I write 96 into 10 square? Because I have a square root here. That's why. Okay. In the next step, what I have done is I have prime factorized 96. Okay. So how many 2's do you have? 5. You have 5 2's, right? So that is why you get 2 to the power of 5. This 2 to the power of 5 into 3 because of this. You have 5 2's and 1 3. And this 10 square that I have written here as it is. You can put a bracket if you want. Okay. And then what I have done is I have 2 to the power of 5 into 3. I have written as 2 to the power of 4 into 2. And I must have a 3 also here, isn't it? Yes, I must have a 3 also. That is, I think, 3 I have omitted here. Yes. I must have a 3 also here. Okay. So I must have, what I have done is I have written 2 to the power of 5 as 2 to the power of 4 into 2. Why? Because I've made converted into an even power. Okay. And 1 2 was left, so I separated it. And 3 I have written as it is here, which I had forgotten to write. And 10 square I've written here as it is. Now 2 to the power of 4 into 10 square I have taken together here and written it as a power of 2 because I see there's a square root here. That's why. Okay. So now once I remove the square root gets removed over 5 into this one. The square root gets removed over 2 square into 10. Okay. The square root gets removed over 2 square into 10. And this 2 into 3, the 3 that I have forgotten to write, this must become 6. Okay. And therefore, if you multiply this, you get 200. This time it becomes 200 root 6. This becomes 200 root 6. Okay. Now you find out the square root of 6 by prime factorization. Sorry, not prime by division method. You find out the square root of 6. Okay. And you write it here. Just give me a minute.